Okay, so here is the design description. You can test it out here. I recommend you do this on a computer, not on a phone. Okay, this actually you can't use this function because I've already pre-added in all the backgrounds. So what you do is you go to layers and you can edit or delete any of these layers. Delete is obviously that button, and to edit you just click on it. For example, date, so click on it, change it. To add curved text, you click on it, you go to style text curved, and you can do arc or circle, but I've already done it. You can also do either the height here or the years old, the age, or you can do whatever you want. For example, if you don't want that and you want to keep the height, all you do is click on it, click delete on your keyboard, or click the rubbish bin icon. Okay, so just so you don't want a black background, I've preloaded all of these. Unfortunately, you can't see next to it what it looks like, but you can see up the top if you scroll up. So you don't, just say you don't know what M6 is, just click on it and it'll show you it's an aqua background. The ones that have pat in them means it's some kind of pattern. See, for example, seashells. It's a seashell pattern. Just say you like that one. What you have to do is you have to drag it to the top because these are layers, so you want it to be on top of everything else, apart from the text and the border. So currently you can see the black is there, so it needs to be above the black, so just drag it above the black and voila, there it is. Now let's say you finish your design and you don't want all these other ones, you're definitely finished. You can print 6 different types of designs. This, you don't want to have this huge file, you can just go ahead and delete all the backgrounds you don't want. Okay, let me just do another one just to show you. I have a plain wooden one, which is probably some people would like. You can see what it looks like here. Okay, so I'm going to drag that up to the top. Okay, oops. Yeah, there it goes. What's going on? Just a bit of a lag. Okay, so that's the wooden background. Let's say you don't want activities. You click on that, go up to the text box. You can just type into it. Yeah, you can't change the font. I've done it like that on purpose actually, because I want it to remain easy and clear to read. So hopefully it gives you an idea how to use it. Obviously you add more text boxes to fill in all the sections, and after you've finished you can buy it. Goes back to my page, and then you click add to cart, and there it is, it's in the cart. So you have one item in your cart, proceed to checkout. I'm signed in, but obviously you won't be. Okay, so then you fill in all your details. I'm just doing a fake test thing. Okay, that's the product. PayPal. I don't know why it's come up twice, but they both work. So you pay with your PayPal. Then you will get an email with a link back to the design that you edited. So you can continue editing, or you can go and print it out. So this is a fake test order I did myself the other day. So this is what the email looks like after you've paid for it. So you get an email like this, you click edit your item, and then it comes up. So this is the one I did. This is my other design, which is also available on my website now. Obviously it doesn't look that great. I was just testing out various functions, different types of text fonts. Yeah, I added in a photo, which you can do, drag and drop. I don't see why you would, but there's the option there if you want to. So yeah, then how many downloads you've got left comes up here. So like I said, you got 6. After you've downloaded 6, you can't download it anymore, and that's the limit. Otherwise you have to repurchase it again. So just be careful that everything is double checked over before you download it and print it. I can show you what the background colors look like at the back end, because I have the option to turn things off. So that's black, dark grey, light grey, yellow, pale yellow, magenta, medium rose pink, pale pink, darker red, maroonish, dark orange, bright red, peachy orange, light peachy, dark purple, medium purple, 2 different kinds of purple, lilac, a dark royal blue with a purplish tinge, medium blue, bright sky blue, baby blue, dark teal green, aqua, dark green, lime green, sage green, dark sage green, khaki, brown, taupe, camel, blackboard, white, a geometric rainbow pattern, candy, daisies with purple background, watercolor blue check, watercolor dark green check, feathers, mermaid scales, Minecraft, smiley faces on green, sea, frangipanis, palm trees, pastel-y check, rainbow, seashells, starburst blue, starburst orange, blue-grey birds, coral, swallows, tropical, pigeons, terrazzo, wood, white marble, pink and gold marble, and that's it.